Welcome to Health Matters. Today we'll talk about fertilization. The amazing union of egg and sperm is a cornerstone of life's continuation. Did you know that on average, only 1 in every 200 million sperm cells manages to successfully fertilize an egg? It's a surprising statistic that highlights the incredible odds overcome in the creation of every new life. Fertilization, the process by which male and female reproductive cells join to form a new organism, marks the beginning of a remarkable journey. Its significance spans across species, from plants to animals, shaping the very fabric of existence. In this video, we delve into the intricacies of fertilization, exploring its stages, mechanisms, and evolutionary importance. From the initial contact between sperm and egg to the formation of a zygote, we'll unravel the mysteries behind this fundamental process. Join us as we embark on a captivating journey through the wonders of fertilization, unlocking the secrets of life's beginnings. Fertilization, the union of sperm and egg, initiates the creation of new life. Sperm, produced in the testes, carries genetic material, while eggs, formed in the ovaries, contain a female's genetic material. During sexual intercourse, millions of sperm are ejaculated into the female reproductive tract, navigating through the cervix and into the uterus. Here, they journey towards the fallopian tubes where eggs await potential fertilization. When a sperm successfully penetrates the egg's protective layer, their genetic material combines, forming a zygote. This newly formed cell begins to divide, ultimately leading to embryo development and the beginning of pregnancy. Sperm, the determined traveler on the path to fertilization, begins its journey in the male reproductive system through a process called spermatogenesis. This process occurs within the seminiferous tubules of the testes, where immature germ cells undergo multiple divisions and transformations, eventually developing into fully mature sperm cells. Maturation continues as sperm move through the epididymis, a coiled tube where they gain motility and become capable of fertilization. Significantly, this process ensures that sperm are primed and ready for their crucial role in reproduction. Once ejaculated during sexual intercourse, sperm embark on an incredible journey through the female reproductive tract. Navigating through the cervix and uterus, they encounter various barriers and challenges before reaching the fallopian tubes, where the egg awaits. Despite the odds, sperm demonstrate remarkable resilience and determination, driven by the ultimate goal of uniting with the egg to initiate the miracle of life. The egg, the waiting host in the journey of fertilization, begins its role with ovulation, a process where a mature egg is released from the ovary into the fallopian tube. Ovulation is triggered by hormonal signals, typically occurring midway through the menstrual cycle. Structurally, the egg consists of a protective outer layer called the zona pellucida and a nucleus containing the female genetic material. It is equipped with specialized receptors that recognize and interact with sperm during fertilization. After ovulation, the egg travels down the fallopian tube, awaiting the arrival of sperm. During this time, it remains viable for fertilization for about 12 to 24 hours. If sperm successfully penetrate the egg's protective layer and fertilize it, the egg undergoes changes to prevent other sperm from entering, initiating the process of embryo development. However, if no sperm fertilizes the egg within the viable window, it disintegrates, marking the end of its journey. The dance of fertilization commences with the intricate interplay between sperm and egg. Upon reaching the egg, sperm undergo a series of biochemical reactions triggered by the egg's chemical signals, facilitating their binding and recognition. This contact initiates a cascade of events, leading to the fusion of the sperm with the egg's outer layer, the zona pellucida. Through enzymatic action, the sperm penetrates this protective barrier, allowing direct contact with the egg's plasma membrane. Upon fusion, the membranes of the sperm and egg merge, facilitating the transfer of genetic material. The nucleus of the sperm enters the egg, carrying its payload of paternal DNA, which combines with the egg's maternal DNA within the egg's nucleus. This merging of genetic material forms a zygote, a single-cell organism with a unique combination of parental traits, marking the beginning of embryonic development. Following fertilization, the zygote forms as the genetic material from the sperm and egg merges, creating a single-cell organism with a complete set of chromosomes. This zygote undergoes rapid cell division through mitosis, producing a cluster of cells known as the embryo. As cell division continues, the embryo transforms into a blastocyst, consisting of an outer layer of cells and an inner cell mass. The blastocyst travels through the fallopian tube and eventually reaches the uterus, where implantation occurs. During implantation, the blastocyst adheres to the uterine lining, a process facilitated by specialized molecules on the blastocyst's surface and receptors in the uterine wall. Once implanted, the blastocyst begins to establish connections with the maternal blood supply, enabling it to receive nutrients and support for further development. This pivotal stage marks the beginning of pregnancy and sets the foundation for the embryo's growth and eventual fetal development. Fertilization processes vary significantly across species due to adaptations to their specific environments and reproductive strategies. In some species, such as mammals, fertilization occurs internally, with sperm typically traveling through the female reproductive tract to reach the egg. In contrast, many aquatic species practice external fertilization, where eggs and sperm are released into the water, often synchronized with environmental cues like temperature or moon phases. In the animal kingdom, unique fertilization methods abound. For instance, seahorses are quite extraordinary, as it is the males that carry the fertilized eggs in a specialized pouch. Meanwhile, some insects, like bedbugs, engage in a rather aggressive method known as traumatic insemination, where sperm is injected directly into the female's body cavity. From an evolutionary standpoint, these diverse fertilization methods reflect adaptations designed to optimize reproductive success across various ecological niches. They balance a myriad of factors including mate availability, competition, and the challenges posed by their environments. These adaptations highlight the dynamic interplay between reproductive strategies and evolutionary pressures, ultimately shaping the incredible diversity of life we see on Earth today. Infertility, often stemming from issues with fertilization, can arise due to factors such as low sperm count, ovulation disorders, or structural abnormalities in the reproductive tract. Assisted reproductive technologies, or ART, offer solutions for overcoming these challenges. Techniques like in vitro fertilization, commonly known as IVF, where eggs are fertilized with sperm outside the body, or intracytoplasmic sperm injection, known as ICSI, which involves directly injecting a single sperm into an egg, can bypass fertilization obstacles. However, these technologies raise ethical considerations. Concerns include the commodification of human embryos, the welfare of surrogate mothers, and the implications of genetic selection. Additionally, questions arise regarding the creation and disposition of unused embryos. Striking a balance between advancing reproductive medicine and upholding ethical principles remains paramount in navigating the complex landscape of fertility treatment and research. Fertilization is not only crucial for reproduction, but also serves as a cornerstone of life's continuity and diversity. Understanding its intricacies enhances our appreciation for the miracle of existence. Join us in spreading knowledge by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more enlightening content on this and other scientific topics. Together, let's nurture curiosity and understanding.